Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to easily change your Chevy Volt key fob battery. First, let's gather our essential tools. You will need a small flathead screwdriver or a coin and a new CR2032 coin cell battery. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in, as this will make the process much smoother and prevent losing any small parts. Now that you have your tools ready, let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot, usually on the side where the emergency key might be. Gently insert your flathead screwdriver or a coin into this slot. With a careful and steady hand, twist the tool slightly. This action will help to pry apart the two halves of the key fob, revealing the internal components. With the key fob open, you will see the old battery. Before removing it, take a quick moment to note its orientation. Typically, the positive side faces up. Gently pry out the old CR2032 battery. Now, take your new battery and insert it into the compartment, ensuring the positive side is facing upwards, just like the old one was. This is crucial for proper function. Almost done, carefully align the two halves of your key fob. Make sure they fit together snugly. Gently press the halves together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely fastened. Once reassembled, it's time for the final step, testing. Go ahead and try out all the functions of your key fob, like locking and unlocking your vehicle, to ensure everything is working perfectly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.